Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I look real bad, but I just did my wash and go routine. If you didn't go watch that, go watch that. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Yanti. If you don't know me, you do now. But I feel like I haven't said that in forever. Anyways, I'm finna do a wig install. One of my old wigs. It's gonna be a bob wig, and it got little highlights on the side. And I gotta work tomorrow. It's like late at night right now. I don't even know what time it is, but yeah, that's what we finna do. So yeah.
If we can keep this business growing, I think that's the best way to honor him.
I was there for him, and I'll be there for you.
Alright, so first thing I use, where is it gonna focus? Is this Even Skin Protectant. I'm gonna put this around my edges even before I do my like slick back my hair. I just wanted to make sure all that's protected, and especially my skin. I haven't even done my skincare yet. I'm gonna do that after, but like I don't want nothing, so I just alright. So now we're gonna take this right here. We're gonna put it all around the edges, and let me flip the camera so y'all can get a better view. But we're gonna take the same thing and just put it all around here. I know my braids look bad and they probably coming up, but gotta do what you gotta do. This is just, I just gotta go right there. And I'm still debating if I want to do the ball cap method or not. I'm not really sure. I really don't know. Just like, do I really feel like doing all that tonight? And the answer for that is no. Method. I feel like this kind of will be taking my edges out. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it tonight. I tan my cap, brown my cap, but I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I'm gonna use this right here. I'm not sure if it's focused because I can't see it, but I know this stuff is like a little dark stuff, so yeah, so I'm gonna put this is the pattern oil, pattern scalp serum. Alright, this is her before. She just needs some little revamping and everything. A little close up, but yeah. What I'm using the same heat protector I use for my hair. And I'm gonna use this wax stick. Amazon. And yeah. Alright, so I got this glue. It say boho on it, but I don't think it's boho. It's I'm clear my throat. It's from Shein. I think I paid like $3 for it or something. I'll put it on the screen. You know me, I don't gatekeep. But yeah, that's where that's from. This wig is not fully straightened, but it's got something going on. And we figured out and remember and everything of how I had it and stuff on my head. I can't do it. Well, that's a little tight. There we go. Is that brushing here? No. I'm trying to remember. I'm assuming it's on this was on this side and this was the gold side. The fact that I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it was that side. It had to be this side because it's already kind of going that way. So it must be that side. Let me go bob here in front of me. This just makes life better too, so I can see. I need to see where my part is. If that's where my edges are, my part is like this. Alright, so I'm letting the hot comb like heat up. So I'm gonna take this and if I can find it, what that is. I use that a little bit of the wig, but I need to take the wig off real quick and add some of it to here so it blends in with my skin. And this is a little bit darker than me, which is gonna definitely work for this because it's gonna do. I'm getting over a little cold that I caught while I was in Oregon. If you haven't watched that vlog, go watch that vlog. It was a good one. Cause it should be up by now because I haven't edited though. But like I started it and I'm 3 minutes in editing. Because I'm trying to get better at my editing skills. Like I just like that's why I don't be putting videos out like crazy because I be like I'm trying to get better at like better quality videos. Cause I was like you can't be a YouTuber and have like ugly quality videos and stuff like that. Like your video is what makes people want to watch your channel. Like that's what, like especially your thumbnails. Like I don't take like 5 minutes on my thumbnail. I take like a day to think, like to make sure it's what I want because like and stuff, and having a little thing makes it a lot better. Let me make sure because now I gotta put this thing up a little bit. Let's hope my edges don't come out. I can't show you how to protect your edges because I sure did lose mine after doing so many wig installs and stuff like back to back and stuff. I sure did lose mine, so I can't tell you how to do that one. No tips on that one for the girlies. this hot comb should be heated, but let me fix this. Get that to come out from under there. Make sure I get no hair. I'm gonna take this lace, pull it up. Where's that go? That goes back there. That goes back. Start this. And this hot comb, I can link it below. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon. Ooh, let me not burn myself, because I done did that. Y'all, I dropped the hot comb on my thigh and burned it. Like, I don't know if I have pictures of that, but if I do, I'm gonna put it on the screen if I remember. But y'all, when I tell you I burnt my thigh, it's not there no more because I use this Chinese cream. No offense to the people, but it's literally a Chinese cream that I saw on TikTok, and it stinks so bad. Like, it smells like burnt beans, and it stinks like poop. Like, when I tell you it stinks so bad, but it worked, and I used it for 2 weeks, and my scar is like basically completely gone. And if I would have used it longer, I probably would have had it, but I couldn't take the smell. So once my scar was like basically gone, and this girl on Instagram on my spam page, she was like, that's not gonna go away, that's not gonna go away, that's not gonna work, promise you, because I have one that's never going away. Prove me wrong, because girl, mine is gone. I didn't even have to like even do it for long, and because I did it fresh out. Like, I ordered that cream, I was like, I cannot, like, y'all, it was at the, like, I was straightening on my wig head, and I straightened and I did this. I swiped down and I hit my thigh, and it wasn't there yet, bro. When I tell you that burned, bro, it burned. Like, it felt like somebody had like burnt me. Literally, that's what it felt like. How it felt, how it looked, and it looked bad, and it got bad, and everything. It didn't get affected or anything, which is, thank God, because if it would have got infected, this would have been a whole nother situation and worse. So I'm glad it didn't get that bad or that serious and stuff. But y'all, it was bad. Bad, but not bad at the same time. Y'all probably like, girl, how many times you gonna press it? I want the pop look, and I'm gonna bump the ends at the end. But I need to make sure it's in place and where I want to put it, because I need to put this stuff like right on the money, right on the mark. I'm gonna try this new glue. So I need to put this back right here, like right there. Told you I'm not doing the ball cap method. I'm just gonna go ahead straight into the 3 layers, and that's it. Cause I don't plan on keeping this on for long. I do not plan on having this in for long. So yeah. So now I'm gonna place her on. This up just a little bit. Let's put that. Let's make sure the ears match first. Ear to ear. You did exceedingly. Okay, so it looks like I missed a few seconds after I get those few spots that I feel like I left out. So for here is a lot more area to go. The second time is always the easiest. I'm gonna put this on the wig because I don't know exactly where it's gonna lay. Alright, there she goes. She lays there. Let's hold her. Okay, this glue not bad because it's showless glue and dry. I like the way it's like, what's in the jig? Laying, once it lays, it's like laying. Ooh, that hurt it. Wig bands hit different, especially the ones with all the gunk on them. Just gonna push that in there, tie that tight. That's not tight enough. Right there. And we finna get that done. So we put it down. Let's spray the comb with alcohol. I need to find my actual alcohol thing. I don't know where it's at. I need to find it ASAP. Cause this ain't gonna work. I usually have like alcohol and stuff, but just using this little Bath and Body Works stuff. Okay. Whatever you trying to do, so. I just need to get some, what's my jig? I need to get her bobbed and ready, but she ready. Ready for the bob. Bit of cool, picking. I'm off a little bit, but who cares? That's gonna go backwards. Like this going like, this one going like that. So it can go like that. It's getting a little bump at the end. I love the fact that, anyways, this wig is from Amazon too. I can try to link this one below or find one similar, but this specific one, it didn't come dyed. She dyed it for me, which when she dyed it, I thought she was gonna dye like the whole under dye black, but I guess she dyed only the parts that you can see. Because if you look at it, you would think that the inside is dyed, but it's not. But that was cool. Because when she did that, I was like, I paid $30 for this. But alright. I didn't even pay for it because, you know, it's graduation. Your parents pay for all that stuff. So, yeah, well, my parents paid for all that stuff. So, I wasn't really tripping. I love my mommy and my daddy. They do so much for me. Like, I feel like I'm so blessed to have parents, like, and they be like, y'all take it for granted, y'all take it for granted. Like, I really don't, because I know how many kids do not have what I have. Like, so many kids were not able to start driving at the age of 16, but I was, because my mom just gave me her car, and she got a new car at the time, I think, or something, or before then. She had a new car already before then, but I already knew kind of the car was gonna be mine, but I still thought I was gonna get a new car and everything, but that's besides the point. But like, so many kids, like, yeah, I've been driving since I got my license, and I got my license when the age that you were supposed to get your, so probably was driving since I was 15 maybe, because you can get your license at 16, because whatever, I had the pre-thing and everything, and I was driving then, because you can drive with the permit to school and stuff like that. Like, yeah, when I tell you I was driving, and then now I have more experience than like probably all my friends. I drive everywhere, especially I don't need no GPS where I live at. Shoot, when I tell you I be driving, I'd be like, I'd rather drive than let them drive me. It's not even like a safety thing, it's just like I like my driving. It is a safety thing too. I like my driving over anybody. I even like my driving on my mom and my daddy. Like, I might drive fast to them, but to me, we be rolling. We gonna get there on time. Like, y'all, it should take me like 30 minutes to get to my job. I don't know how I be getting there on time, but I do. And I don't even know how, because I be leaving a little bit early, but like, I be getting there earlier than the earlier time that I left. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I always leave 15 minutes early just in case traffic, because I am coming, like, it's supposed to be a 30-minute drive. That drive turned into 20 minutes, which is crazy. But it's just the normal for me now. And just like, that's crazy. How the back looking, y'all? How the back looking? I hope it ain't looking bad, because I need to get her together. Let me get the comb and take the comb to her. Where'd the comb go? Y'all, and my stomach hurt real bad, because this might be TMI, but my period finna start. And my stomach is killing me right now. Like, who told my stomach to do that? Like, who told my stomach to, like, hurt? Okay, I need... This is so big. Am I tripping? No, that's right. I need to have to go this way. So, I need to take the hot comb to that piece, but I'm gonna do that in a second. Just wanna make sure everything is kind of good with this, because I only got two plugs right here. I usually switch my thing from by my bed, but I ain't feel like doing all that, because I'm gonna have to switch it back and all that extraness. Like, I'm just trying to go to sleep, to be honest, because I already told y'all I gotta be at work for early, even though I get off at 3:30, but still, I got things to do after I get off. And y'all, I'm trying to catch back up on sleep a little bit, because when we was in Oregon, when I tell y'all, I was waking up, because, like, we was 2 hours ahead from where we at, because we stay, like, in Central Time Zone, I think that's what we stay in. So, basically, I was waking up at the time that I wake up when I was here. But I was going to bed at 12 o'clock there. So I was losing 2 hours every day, which was crazy, because y'all know I go to bed like 12. Kidding the fact that I'm pretty sure it's like 12 something right now. It's actually finna probably be 1. It's like 12:30 or something, but like, y'all, I lost sleep. And then if you watched the vlog, you know that our flight got delayed. We didn't actually, excuse me. Y'all probably don't even know anything, but our flight got delayed. Our flight was supposed to leave at 7. We was in Las Vegas, because we had from Portland, Oregon to Las Vegas, and supposed to be Las Vegas to where we live at. And basically, that flight got delayed. Basically, that flight got delayed from that flight in Las Vegas supposed to leave at, what time that flight supposed to leave at 7 p.m. or something like that. That flight didn't leave till 11:40 that night. So, and it's a 2-hour time difference. So we didn't get back to where we live at until 4 in the morning, our time, like here. And I had to go to work. I was supposed to originally go to work for 8:30, but I was like, I called them that day when I figured that we was gonna be there for a long time. I was like, I don't think I'm making it in time. Flight keep getting delayed, and I don't think I'm making it in time. So they pushed me back. I should just took off. But I was like, I can come at a later time. They're gonna go say like 4 o'clock, something. She's like, you can come in for 1 to 7. What? 1 to 7. I did it, but like, what? But that means as soon as I got here, we got home, and then the airport is 2-hour drive from where we live at. So like, the airport that was here, so we got home at 7. Flight landed at like 4:35, but got home at 7. Got home at 7, and then after we got home at 7, I went straight to sleep. Like, straight to sleep. Like, I ain't had no problem going to sleep. Went straight to sleep. After going to sleep, we woke up, and then I went to work. I don't know what everybody else did, because I was not worried about nobody else. I was only worried about myself. I need to put some thingamajiggy right there. I need to get all this up so I can curl it, so I can do it. Where's this at? I know it look a little crusty, guys, but we're gonna get that together. It's trying to lay with the wig, but I don't need it to lay with the wig. Actually, I still don't need to lay with the wig, but let me take this. Let me see if I can do this first. See if I can. In a second, after I get all my edges out and stuff, I just know I just got my comb. edges right here. Right there, and edges. Okay, I don't see the edges over there. This kind of hurt. The spritz still melted in. You can see the, I don't know if y'all can see it well, but the instant melt it did with all that. But I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges because I don't have time to be waiting. I told you I'm trying to go to bed, so everything is gonna be as fast as could be. Oh, I forgot I was just trying to do the curl thing. I just put the stuff on there. That's gonna have to be laid. I'm gonna have to pick this up. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I just did that. I didn't mean to do that. But let me see if I can. That's gonna burn that. I already know. Ooh, I almost got myself. This just might not work. Okay, I'm just not gonna worry about that right now. That's not gonna happen. We're just gonna these edges. We're not gonna worry about doing that because that's gonna burn it. It's too late. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna take it off and see real quick. See what it's giving me. If it's not giving because the bottom's popping. But the edge is not edging. And the bottom's not popping. Let's try this side first. Let's go from this side to that side. Okay. The edges are actually edging. Okay, we good. We good. We good. And I'm gonna go sleep. But y'all, I found my alcohol. Now I'm gonna take a little dip, this alcohol in it, and I'm gonna clean up all this around my forehead, all the parts that I feel like I just need to clean up so I can put my skincare on my face and stuff. I probably need to go get a tissue, but I really don't feel like going to get one. Okay, I gotta go. So, you see the glow? You see the glow? You see the glow? This is how I be wearing it too. I be like doing it like hit it back a little bit and then shake it in the front a couple of bit. I prefer this side like a little bit kind of messy or something. A little, yeah, cause the bob is definitely bobbing. I'm trying to give it a bump, but can't bump with this really. Oh yes, it did. Yeah, bumped it. Hold on, this piece right here is bothering me. I'm finna cut it. What you doing? Kiss, color, and care. Remind me of that JT little commercial. I'm finna cut it, cause why is it long like that? I probably shouldn't have did it, but too late, it's done. There we go. Boy, dust my shoulder off. Bob. They calling me Bob, 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 Bob. Cause baby, cause this is how I be wearing it right here. Like I do like this, like a little, and I actually will curl this towards that way, so it'll have like a little swoop like that, like that, like that. The bob is bobbing. The bob is bobbing. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hope you liked it, cause I had a good time. I enjoyed myself. But I love it. You better call Becky with the good hair. I know that ain't church, but looks like I'm Becky. They call me Bob, 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 Bob. That ain't church song either. But yeah, see y'all in the next video.